Have you ever looked at your life and thought, nothing will ever be the same again? Dreams lost, relationships broken, confidence shattered. If that's you, listen carefully. God is rebuilding what you thought was lost. There are moments in life when loss changes everything. You didn't just lose things. You lost hope. You replay memories. You question yourself. You wonder if God still has a plan. But here's the truth. What you lost did not surprise God. He saw it coming, and He already prepared restoration. Sometimes God allows loss, not to punish you, but to remove what cannot go. Where He is taking you, God rarely restores things the same way they were before. He rebuilds better, stronger faith, deeper peace, clearer purpose. You may not get back what you lost, but you will receive what you truly need. The Bible shows us this again and again. God replaces ashes with beauty, mourning with joy, weakness with strength. What looks like destruction is often divine reconstruction. Right now, you feel like life slowed down, but heaven is working overtime. Every delay is teaching patience. Every struggle is building character. Every tear is watering future blessings. You are becoming someone who can carry more peace, more responsibility, more purpose. Don't rush the process. God never rebuilds in a hurry. If you're grieving what you lost, remember this. God is not finished with you. He is rebuilding your faith. He is restoring your joy. He is renewing your strength. What you thought was the end will become the foundation for something greater. So trust Him. Hold on. Keep believing. Because God is rebuilding what you thought was lost. If this message touched your heart, type Amen in the comments. And never forget, restoration is already in progress.